This is a room tour of Grand Suite 1260 on Explorer of the Seas, and this is on deck 10, room 1260, and it is a Grand Suite. So as we come into the room, you can see there's nice countertop area, lots of storage, then the sitting area. Over here is the bed, and the desk area, and then we have the bathroom, which we'll show here in a minute. And you can see that this room is located here on deck 10. And our muster station is on deck 4, station B5, which is here on the outside deck there. Okay, let's start by going in the bathroom. The nice thing about a Grand Suite is that it has a double sink. It has 2 sinks, which is really nice. Really large bathroom in these Grand Suites. There's a nice ledge back there where you have for storage, and then there's a mirror with storage behind it, and then there's storage down below each sink. There is storage, and then several drawers of storage here behind the sink area. So really nice. And then we come over here to the shower. It is a bit of a step up into the tub, but it's a shower tub, and then the shower is adjustable, so you can raise that up and down, take it off, and then the Grand Suite comes with the Malin and Goetz amenities, so there's shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So a nice big tub and a ledge at the back of the tub for, storage of your bathroom items. And just a small step, there's just a small step down into or out of the bathroom. Okay. As we continue on this other side, you have this nice counter area, and then there's lots of storage here on the side. So plenty of room in these drawers. And then over here, you have the cooler. Okay, and stuff's already pretty cold in there, so that's nice. And then if we come around on this other side, nice storage in these closets. And then on this other side, you have the life jackets down on this one side, but there's plenty of hanging and plenty of storage here. Okay. Again, here is the coffee maker. It's the Lavazza coffee maker. You put the pods in here like this, push the button, make your coffee. Again, storage back here behind the coffee maker. Just a nice countertop area, especially like if you order room service, you have plenty of room to set things out here. Just ends up being a really nice area. And then moving on into the sitting area, you've got these 2 seating chairs and a sofa and a little end table or table here in the middle. They've recently been upgraded or redone, so quality of the finishes is really nice, and this looks like it's probably new carpet in here as well, so that's really nice. And then in the bed area, the bedroom area, You've got a small table on each side. There are no plugs. So, small table on each side with a button to push for the lights. There is no USB on the phone either. So, the plugs in the room are limited to what's right here at the desk. So, there's 2 European plugs and 2 American style plugs. And plenty of storage over here in the desk area. There is a nice big mirror above the desk, and back behind here there is nice shelving behind that mirror. Okay, and then at the desk there is a drawer for like papers and things, and then there's 3 drawers here. Hair dryer is here. Looks like it's a little bit better one. It's still, you have to hold the button to make it work. So you got a couple drawers here. You got some shelving down under here. Another drawer here. Oh, and then up above here, there's storage up above here. And then in here you have the safe. And this is a little bit larger safe than what you sometimes see. So a lot bigger. You could probably get a computer in there. A laptop computer would fit in there. Also at the desk area, there is the vanity mirror here. Okay, and then moving out onto the balcony. Out on the balcony, we are in the Port of Miami today, so it's a little bit loud. You have a nice lounge chair with a small side table, nice cushions on these lounge chairs. And then if we look over onto the other side, we have a nice big table with 2 chairs, nice cushions. Overall, just a really nice balcony. It's maybe a little narrow, but still a nice use of the space here. And the ship's maybe showing its age a little bit here on the glass partition and the railway railings. But overall, this room is in pretty good shape. Again, this is Explorer of the Seas, room 1260, deck 10. And because this is a grand suite, we'll also talk about the benefits of being in a grand suite, and we will show you the suite lounge. And again, we are in Port of Miami today.
So one of the benefits of having a grand suite is that you do get your own suite concierge person who will help you. Our suite concierge was Vanessa, and she is located on the concierge lounge in deck 9, midship. And she does have various hours that she's there, usually in the morning and in the afternoon. They do have, it is only for the suite guest, and you can be there for a cocktail hour for unlimited beverages from 5 to 8. And they do have continental breakfast in the Concierge Club from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And that is a nice benefit to have with this room. You also have other amenities for being in a grand suite. You do get your bathrobes. You have the special bathroom amenities that you can have. And then you also get an exclusive breakfast each morning at Giovanni's, which is on deck 4. And Giovanni's breakfast times are here. Generally, when they're at sea, it's a little bit later, and it depends on different things that are going as how we're docked. But you do have breakfast that you can have at Giovanni's for being in a grand suite, so that's a wonderful perk. And then you can also get, we're on a long cruise, a 9-day cruise, they do have complimentary pressing for the first formal night. So if you have some nice clothes and they got a little wrinkly, that you can get some complimentary pressing. And you can also get complimentary room service and in-suite dining room service available from the main dining room. So that is a really nice thing to have, that you don't have to pay that fee for the room service. So these are a couple of the extra benefits that you get from having this room 1260 or 10th floor, room 1260 for a grand suite.